Yo guys, what's happening? Hope you guys are doing well. We have an exciting day because you guys are going to join us at Sportech, which is a performance workshop in South Africa. And these guys do some crazy stuff. They do some really sick cars. As you saw in the title, we've got a Widebody Mustang that we're going to show you. So it's a machine that looks so good. I just had a look at the car as well. So we're just going to take a quick walk around the showroom, just give you guys a brief on what these guys do, show you some of the other cars, and then we'll go take a drive in the Mustang. So yeah, hope you enjoy it with us. Let's get started. So we've got a 997 Porsche Turbo, very cool. I actually went in a Porsche GTS this weekend. We hired another airstrip, and geez man, these things are so impressive. Got a Ferrari Mondial, nice car. If you guys want a nice selection of rims, you've got pretty much everything that you need. So nice little Fossil. I think these actually fit in the M4. What do you guys think? Think it'll look cool? Not bad. Let's have a look at the workshop. Okay, I'm not going to show you guys the Mustang just yet, but we do have an R8 V10 PLUS, which as you guys know, I'm really in love with, and I would love to do the twin turbo conversion on one for the channel as well. But let's have a quick look at it. I like this wrap, looks really cool. Nice carbon bits, carbon wing, carbon diffuser, blacked out badges. Yeah, it looks pretty dope. I think if we do get one for the channel, we'll most likely be doing the rear bumper delete with the twin turbos. Let me know what you guys think. Maybe a wide body as well. That'll look pretty sick, right? Alright man, these things are cool. Yeah, we definitely have to get one of these for the channel. These things are so sick. I just have these really cool steering wheels. They're like nice to grip with this like flat bottom. And they've got this sporty start-stop button on the steering wheel. Oh. Listen to that. Dynamic 1. Oh, this thing must be such a joy to drive. Maybe after we go for a drive in the Mustang, we'll ask Chad if he can take a drive in this thing. Yeah? What do you guys think? Nice, alright, cool. So I think we'll just jump straight into the montage. Have a look at this thing, it's absolutely sick. Enjoy it. Boom, what did you guys think of that? This thing is sick, right? Let's take a walk around it. So this is an imported white body kit, but it looks really sick. Got nice carbon bits everywhere. Nice canards, big carbon splitter. You'll see like in the grille over here, and also the back under the boot are all carbon bits as well. Carbon vents, white body. These wheels look so sick. Got the wrap, the red and the white. This guy's done a really good job on this car. So here's these carbon bits I was telling you about as well, here at the back. It's a big diffuser, Ecopovic exhaust tips. Sick man, this thing's really cool. I really like the wide body, it just gives it such a good stance. So this is really cool, let me show you this. This is not your usual Mustang door. Oh. So how do you guys like that? Got scissor doors in a Mustang. Reminds me of Need for Speed. Let's open up the other one. You can get both sides going. How cool is that, man? Sick, right? Tell me now, if you guys had a wide-body Mustang, would you would you put scissor doors on? It's not something I would have thought of before, but yeah, I think it looks pretty dope. What do you guys think? How's that angle? The seats are surprisingly comfy. I was actually really surprised. You know, sports cars are normally really hard. They sort of give you that aggressive feel. These are really comfortable. So I like that. That looks really cool. Maybe we should push it and give us a little start. What do you guys think? Okay, let's do it. Let's fire this baby up. You ready? First starts in the supercharged Mustang. That sounds like a V8, a throaty V8. Oh, it sounds good, man. We have to go for a drive in this thing. So this is Chad. This is the man of the hour.
How you doing?
So he runs Sportech, founder, father, and you've been doing this for 15 years?
No, like 25 years.
25 years.
We were, I was pretty much the start of the aftermarket tuning business in South Africa 25 years ago. And it's just grown from there, and how has it grown? We have so many different people, youngsters, old guys, I'm an old guy, doing this kind of business. Some have been super successful and some haven't. And
25 years, that's a wealth of experience. If you guys need some work done on your cars, bring it to Sportech.
We've built a lot of cars. We built, I think, at one stage a couple of years back, we did a calculation of what we've done, and we were in the region of about 5,500 cars.
Really?
About 10 years ago.
Jeez, awesome, man. So this car, this has been a project that you guys have done for the last year or so.
Yeah, we did this project a year back, and this is the kind of client that you dream about. The man is just so enthusiastic. He loves his cars. This is his passion for him, complete passion. He wanted the hottest Mustang in Africa, and that's pretty much what he got. And he was very involved in the process of choosing what he wanted and how he wanted it. He's a pleasure to work with. It's such an enthusiast, which just makes this kind of job amazing, really, when you have the allowance to do things, you know. And then when you say, I'd like to do this, and he goes, yeah, and then you go like, I wanted to make this horsepower, and he goes, okay, I'm in. What does it cost? And you go, it costs this, and he goes, okay, let's do it, you know.
Yeah.
It's really amazing. It's really, really amazing. So we've had a lot of fun with him, and it's been really, really good.
Nice. If you want to lose traction,
Yeah, she's just real spinning.
It's a monster, man. Jeez, there's a lot of torque, eh? You can feel like
she's got a lot of torque, yeah.
Really like kicks you in the stomach.
Actually put the traction control back on again. That way she won't spin so much.
Okay. But that's boring then.
It's not slow.
Jeez.
It's not slow.
Looking now, it's really cool. You can see through the scoop in the bottom.
Yeah.
That's so cool.
There's so many extras on this car, like just the little things, like the steering gear changes that he's changed, the center pods that he changed, all the little pieces, the aluminium handbrake, and you know, just so much. There's so much detail that he's done inside the bonnet. I'm sure you've seen what he done there and what he got us to do. All the carbon fiber he's put into it, you know.
Is this pretty close sort of feel to like a proper Super Snake?
Very much so.
Okay.
It's probably on the button of a Super Snake.
Okay. Jeez, look. Starts climbing, yeah?
Yeah, it does.
The gearbox is smooth, eh?
That's not bad at all, eh?
Yeah. So is this a standard one of those? I mean,
Yeah,
is that a standard one of these?
That's exactly it.
Okay.
See how different it is, eh?
Yeah.
It's like crazy different.
Standard GT. It's amazing, like if you do some work, you have a machine from a base model like that.
Exactly.
This gauge is very cool. That sounds good. So yeah, this thing sounds fucking epic. So I believe this car's actually going on the track at the end of the month with the owner. So maybe we'll try and meet them there as well and see what this thing can do on the track. Got some restoration builds here as well. Nice C1 Corvette convertible, it looks like. Those are pretty cool. Check out the exhaust come out the body. That's really cool, man. It's just a bit of innovation, from back in the days. I think these were built in the 50s. Guys are trying things a little bit out the box. That's cool. There's one of the OG Porsches. This is, I think it's an original, but yeah, worth quite a lot of money as far as I understand. Check that. Porsche emblem, boom. This looks like a really clean restoration. I think this was called the 356. Yeah, man, cool. Front view of the C1. 350 shared motor. Classic. I see two Corvettes with an LS1 motor swap, so this is going to be pretty sick. It'll be cool to see this car when it's finished. That's E46 M3. This is really cool. A 1967 GT500 Mustang. It's been replicated to look like Eleanor from Gone in 60 Seconds. So if you guys haven't seen Gone in 60 Seconds, go watch it after this video immediately, because it's a pretty cool movie. And the movie made this car extremely famous after Nicolas Cage was the main actor who starred in that movie. It was really cool. They had a gear stick that said "Go Baby Go" with a nitrous bottle in the back, and they had a race to the helicopter that was chasing it. It was quite an epic scene. But yeah, quite keen to see this car finished, because they are quite beautiful when they are done. Alright guys, take a look at this. Got a 930 Porsche. It's been built, absolutely beautiful. And look at everything, looks absolutely brand new. This car could probably be built for showroom quality. Stunning, man. So have a quick look under there. So I think this car just got back from the paint shop about 2 days ago. Absolutely stunning. I don't know if you can see the paint. It's got like a silver speck in it. Beautiful. We'll come back now and then just to see how the progress is going, and then maybe do a video when it's complete for you guys.
This thing's fucking loud.
Does it? It sounds flipping. It also sounds sicker.
Yeah, now. The coal starts loud. It'll quieten down now. It's starting to quieten down already. Yeah, there we go. This one's a little modified.
Okay.
So it's got exhaust, it's got intakes, it's got software.
Okay. Oh, the noises. That's so cool. Is that 18.9 litres 100 k's?
Yeah.
So it's not meant for our fuel economy, eh?
You can, right? It's actually very light on juice.
Okay.
If you allow it to be,
Yeah. That's not fun, though. That's awesome. If you do the twin turbo conversion, can you make it two-wheel drive only if you want to?
You have to, yeah. So then what you do is you do it's a software change, and it just only runs it puts the power to the back.
It's gonna be quite fun as a restaurant car.
A lot of fun.
Yeah.
Oh my god, a lot of fun.
Oh, lovely. That changes that phenomenal.
This car, the tread is just
It's like, wow, it's blowing my mind actually. guys, that's a wrap for today's video. I just wanted to say, Chad, thank you. You're a legend. That was so sick. My first ride in R8, and that Mustang was epic. So yeah, guys, give Sportech cars a follow. Go check them out on Instagram. Check out their website. I'll put the link in the description below. Go check them out. If you need any work done on your cars, these guys definitely know what they're doing. So go check them out. And guys, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Give us a thumbs up. And yeah, man, we'll see you next week. Sweet.
Have you ever felt?
Are you listening? Damn. Yeah. Yeah. Yeah.